How to make delicious praline coffee at home, easy recipe. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a recipe for a delightful and comforting drink, praline coffee. It's a perfect blend of rich coffee, creamy milk, and the sweet nuttiness of praline flavoring. Let's get started. Ingredients: 2 cups of brewed coffee, 1/4 cup of praline syrup, 1/2 cup of milk, your choice of dairy or non-dairy, whipped cream, optional, crushed praline or chopped nuts for garnish. Instructions. To begin, you'll need a strong cup of coffee. I've brewed up a fresh batch here, but feel free to use your favorite brew. Next, we'll add a generous tablespoon of praline syrup. This is what gives our coffee that irresistible nutty sweetness reminiscent of classic praline candies. Now, let's froth up some milk. You can use any type of milk you prefer, dairy or non-dairy. I'm using whole milk today for that extra creaminess. Once your milk is nice and frothy, pour it into your coffee. Look at that beautiful swirl. For an extra indulgent touch, let's add a dollop of whipped cream on top. Because, why not? And finally, to really drive home that praline flavor, sprinkle some chopped pecans over the whipped cream. It adds a lovely crunch and nuttiness to every sip. Ah, there's nothing quite like the comforting aroma and flavor of praline coffee. It's like a hug in a mug. And there you have it, a delicious praline coffee that you can easily make at home. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy every sip. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Until next time, happy brewing.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.